Hey fam, please excuse my voice. I'm recovering from losing my voice. But I have another wig show and tell for you all today. This wig was sent to me from UNice Hair. And like always, thank you UNice Hair for sponsoring this video. When you order, they send you some goodies in the box. I got some hairline tape, 2 HD wig caps, a edge band, and these cute press-on nails. The wig came neatly packaged in this long clear plastic baggie with some more hairline tape inside of the plastic baggie. Next is the inside cap construction. This wig was made with a 13x4 frontal parting space. On the frontal by the ear tabs is 2 pre-attached lace wig tape. They sent a removable adjusted elastic band that you can insert. There is only one comb and it's in the nape area with adjustable straps. The circumference of the cap have a silicone strip. It's supposed to help with the wig not slipping and sliding. The lace on this wig comes pre-cut and the hair texture is a yaki texture. And let me not forget, when you order, they send you a one size only pink silk robe, which I love. This is really cute. But this is how the wig comes straight out of the package. This is a pre-everything wig, so that means the lace is pre-cut, the knots on the frontal is pre-bleached, the hairline is lightly pre-plucked. Whew, thank you, UNice Hair. And the hair pattern came straight, but I'm going to do a quick run through with my flat iron so it can be bone straight. The styling products I use is from Lil Bit. This is a melanated owned company. I first applied the hair serum on the hair. Then by the parting space, I sprayed some silkening mist and some styling spritz. Then I go in with my hot comb. I have it on the highest temperature setting, which is number 20. This is my Andis hot comb. And I'm just hot combing, by the parting space, making it nice and flat. Straightening the hair on this wig was really easy. I love how the end results came out. The hair looks beautiful in the light. Towards the ends, I'm going to cut off about 1 inch of hair so the ends can be even. And this is my end results. I'm all done. Now it is time for the wig install. Hey there. So we'll be doing this wig install in natural sunlight and the hair looks super pretty. Right now I don't have any product on the lace and the lace looks like it is transparent lace. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 and apply some of that powder underneath the lace. I only apply it to the spots I'll be showing, so that is the parting space and hairline. Right there in the back is where I hooked my adjustable straps, and underneath the wig I am going in with a brown stocking cap. After I put on the wig, I noticed the lace is still coming off light on my skin. Sometimes the powder just works as like a lace tint, and then sometimes I only get away with powder. It depends on how thick and white the lace is. So it's definitely going to take some more blending. So I'm going to take my NARS foundation and pump a small amount of this onto a paper towel. Then I take my brush and smudge off some of the product, and the rest of the product I apply on top of the lace of the hairline. Okay, so this is supposed to be a glueless install. So to secure the ear tabs down, UNice Hair placed the hairline tape right by the ear tab, and it's so easy to apply. You just peel off the tape and you just lay it right down in front of your own hairline. The foundation brush that I used earlier, the leftover product on that, I'm going to wipe it on top of the lace by the ear tab to cover up that ashy lace. After I laid the ear tabs down, I was like, okay, UNice, I see what you guys got going on here. I like the plan. I like the plan. Next, I take my zigzag scissors. I'm just cutting off some of that extra lace that's in the front. On my temples, I am going to add some baby hair swoops. Also, just a little reminder, this is a glueless install, baby. No glue, no spray. I'm going to use my eyebrow scissors to cut down my baby hairs. After I cut down the baby hairs, the product I'm going to use to style my baby hairs in place is the Eco Styling Gel. And this just have a soft, nice hold on the baby hairs. After I done styling the wig, this was all the shedding I got all together. And to me, that shedding is on the low side. And right here, beautiful, is my end results. I really hope you like it. So I gotta be honest, this wig install was too easy breezy. I really didn't have to do much but straighten the hair and get the lace to match my skin tone. I love how this wig comes with a 13x4 frontal parting space, and the parting space have a lot of room. So if you don't want to do a middle part, you can do a right side part or even a left side part. It's a lot of free space for you to do some styling. And just a heads up, if you are interested in this wig, but you don't want a 13x4 frontal parting space, you can get the parting space 7x5. So it's almost like having a big closure, but without all of the hassle of a frontal. This is my first time trying a wig that have pre-attached hairline tape. And I'm not even going to lie, like, this is genius. This is genius. And thank you so much, UNice Hair, for sending out extra hairline tape. When you order it, don't worry, you get extra hairline tape as well. At first, I was like, it's impossible for this wig to be glueless. I am going to need some spray, but it's not bad at all. Like, not all the time people want to deal with spray and glue. Like, I know I'm one of them, so this wig definitely came in handy for me. If you're a person that like to split their hair and wear it to the front, I like the fact that I split the hair and in the back, the tracks isn't showing and you can't see my wig cap. I do believe that this wig only come in one size only, which is a medium size, and it fit pretty well. If you have a smaller head, then I recommend inserting that adjustable elastic band that come with the wig. And if you have a larger head, like 23 inches, I feel like you are in for the clear, but watch other wig reviews just in case, because there is other wig reviews out on this wig. The length of the wig that they sent me is 22 inches. I did go in and cut some of the ends off, so now it lays about 20 inches on me, and the hair density is 150%. I do love the hair density though. It goes with the style of the wig. The yaki hair that UNice used for this wig is some really beautiful hair. In my opinion, it definitely looks natural. This wig is available in the hair lengths from 14 inches to 24 inches. And the hair color on this is a natural black. And if you're not a fan of natural black hair, I do believe you can dye it jet black. The lace on the wig is longer than my hairline. So later on, when I remove that tape, I am going to go in and cut off some of the lace so it can lay flat by my ear, because my ear is kind of sticking out. It's not too comfortable right there. So that's pretty much it. Zero tingling. Shedding was on the low side. This wig is laying nice and flat. It feels secure. It is a glueless install, and I honestly don't have any cons. Like, if I had to pick a con, the most I will say is the lace is longer than my hairline, but that's not even really a con because I could fix that by snipping off some lace. So if you're a beginner, I 100% recommend this wig. And if you're not and you're just looking for a good wig install that's on the go, good for every day, then I 100% recommend. Removing the wig is really easy as well. You don't have to fight. You don't have to cry. You just carefully take it on up, and you don't have to sleep in this wig. You can reinstall it the next day. And if you ever want to replace the hairline tape, it's super easy to remove. You just take it up by the end, peel it, and throw it on out. UNice recommend to wipe your skin before pasting down the air tab because it will be more effective on clean skin. And with the hairline tape, you should be able to get up to 5 wears. Now I'm going to show you guys how to reinstall the tape after you removed the other tape. You just open your baggie, take out a strip of tape. When you apply it to the air tab, you peel off one side and place it by the air tab. And when reinstalling it, you peel off the other side, and bada boom, bada bang, you have your new sticky side. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys later.